time signature. I talked about this time signature several times. How we are writing the time signatures on notation? TS. This is the short form of time signature. Name two time signature. One is 4/4. One is 3/4. How to count 4/4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? This is called bar. This is this space in between two straight lines. This space is called a bar. When you are having 4 notes in a bar, that is the time signature of 4 counts. You can have 2 notes also. Means 2 meaning. Whatever the note you have in a bar, that should be equivalent to 4 counts, what I mean to say. That doesn't mean 4/4 means 4 note you should have. You don't need to. What I mean to say, in a 4/4 time signature, in a single bar, you should have a note equivalent to 4 counts. That could be 1 semi-breve, that could be 2 meaning, that could be 4 crochet, that could have been 8 quiver. Got my point? See, this upper 4 indicates number of notes or count in a bar. Number of notes or count in a bar. This 4 indicates. And this 4, this down 4, value of notes. So, this 4, number of notes or counts in a bar. 4/4 means 4 number of notes or 4 counts. How it is? In a 4/4 bar, I can write 4 crochet. This is also 4/4. If I write 2 meaning, this is also 4/4 because this 2 plus 2, this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus 2 means 4. See, if I write a semi-breve, that is 4 counts. Hence, if I write like this, this is also 4/4 because there is half, 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 half. This is there is 8 half. 8 half means you have 4. Okay, what I mean to say, in 4/4 counts, you should have 4 counts or 4 notes in a bar. Rather, I can say it should be 4 counts. It should be equivalent to 4 counts. It could be a single semi-breve. It could be 2 meaning, it could be 4 crochet, it could be 8 quiver. Okay, students, hope this is very clear too. This is very much important. How to find out a time signature from a notation. If I write a notation in front of you, okay, and if I ask you what should be the time signature for this particular lesson, how you will be identified, that is the way to identify. You have to count in a bar, single bar, how many counts are there. If it is 4 counts, very easily you can say, sir, this is 4/4. Now the question is, what about this 4? How to take out the value of the notes? Value of the note means you have to divide 4 by 4, means 1. This 4 is this 4. Don't do any mistake. This 4 is this 4. What about this 4? This is the universal 4. I said you earlier also, this 4 is universal. Can you see? Yes, you can see. This 4 is universal. Universal means this 4 is, as I said earlier, the forefather of rhythm. This time signature is basic of rhythm. But being a pianist, being a melodist, being a guitarist, being a pianist, you should have ample knowledge regarding your rhythm also. That is why I am here. I am talking about this time signature. So this 4, this is the forefather. This is the forefather of rhythm. This cannot be changed. Whatever the figure will be here, whatever the numeric will be here, you have to divide 4 with that particular divide. Suppose if I talk about 4 by 8, this 4 indicates number of counts in a bar very well. This is value means this 4 you have to divide by 8 means half. All the counts will be half counts. All the notes will be half counts. Okay, this 4 would not be changed. You have to divide this below figure. Mind it. This is representing here. You are not dividing this figure. You are dividing this 4, which is a universal, which is a forefather of rhythm. You are dividing 4 with the particular numeric. It could be 4 by 8. It could be 3 by 4. It could be 4 by 8, 4 by 4. It could be 6 by 8. It could be 7 by 8. Whatever it may be. Whatever the figures are here, you have to divide this particular 4 with that figure, particular figure. Then only you can take out the count of the lesson, the value of the notes. This is count, 4 counts, whatever the count is here. Okay, if I say 7, 8, 7, 4. If I talk about the 7, 4, how many count will be there in a bar? 7 counts will be there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 counts will be there in a bar. Value of the notes will be 4 divided by 4, 1. Rather, if I talk about 7, 8, this will be 7 is very much clear to you. 7, number of counts in a bar. There will be 7 counts in a bar. Okay, what about this 8? This is the value, indicates the value of the notes. Means you have to divide the 4 with 8. If you have to divide the 4 with 8 means the value of the each and every count is half count. 7 notes you are talking about and each and every value of the note is half count. Okay student, this is the basic of time signature what I talk about right now. So very basic, in a very basic, you are a beginner. In the beginning we are talking about 2 time signature only. One is 4-4, one is 3-4. Okay. Today I have talked about 3-4, 4-4. 3-4 also you have the ample idea about that because I talked about same thing only a long time ago. Once again I will be repeating the same thing through my next video. Till then have a great day. Goodbye. Take care. Be safe. Okay. Whatever your teachers and your parents are advising you regarding this COVID-19, please don't forget it. Follow it clearly. Use mask whenever you are going out. Sanitize your hand once in half an hour and maintain the social distancing. Happy Diwali. Before that I will not be getting any more chance to meet with you. So happy Diwali. Have a great time students. Bye.